Hello everyone, this is Bing Naranjo from Bingodesigns. Today I'm going to show you how to colorize your black and white photo. Actually guys, this is one of my favorite photos of my late father. But first I want to eliminate the background. There are numerous methods of removing the background. Using the pen tool is my favorite. It takes more time but it's worth it. Later on guys, I'm going to show you how to find your color palette that you can use. By the way everyone, if you find this video too fast, you can adjust the speed by clicking the cog wheel located at the bottom right corner of this video. And if you have any questions and suggestions, just comment below. I'm more than happy to answer your questions. Don't forget to duplicate the photo, and now make a new layer below the photo and fill it in with white color. Now it's time to use the palette. I did make my own palette, but you can download your own. This is what you must do. First, open the color palette you downloaded. Select the color palette, go to color and then color map. Now make a mask and select the black full transparency. Here's how to find the color palette that you need. Open up your browser and type Gimp palette download. All you need is 4 to 5 colors and install it. Here's an example of the Gimp palette. Guys, you need a color palette for the skin, eyes, and hair. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the process. Don't be too concerned if you paint outside the lines. It's easy to correct by switching from white to black. Just make sure you select the mask, not the photo. Guys, the method is repetitive, so I think it's easy to follow and understand. Now guys, just repeat the process. I think by now you get the whole idea of how to do it. Guys, the more time you spend refining the details, I promise you the result will be great. Guys, I'm going to mute myself now because the process keeps repeating. Just follow the instruction I've mentioned earlier in this video. And I try to zoom in and zoom out to ensure there is nothing unusual happening. That's the whole process. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and stay creative. Bye bye.